Hey, welcome back to the Ari and Bar Show, and today we have a special show for you guys. Ari, tell them about it.
We're gonna make an all-natural bug repellent because I'm like candy for mosquitoes.
She hates them, so stand by. All right, so here we are, and Ari, what do we need for this amazing product?
So we're gonna be using apple cider vinegar, witch hazel. We have some lavender, citronella. What is this? Cedarwood, lemongrass, eucalyptus, and rosemary.
It's a lot of nice little products going on there, and I'm back with my beer. It's kind of look alike. I was looking at it like, you know what? They kind of, you don't want to drink this pure. What some people do. Anyway, what are we gonna do? How are we gonna mix this?
We have a little spray bottle. It'd be good to have a larger spray bottle.
Yeah, I was supposed to buy a bigger one, but I came back with that one. So it's a 2-ounce spray bottle. Yeah. And for now, that's what we have. But we normally do this in a bigger kind of, in a way bigger one.
So you'll just double or triple the amount depending on the size of your spray bottle.
Adjust it to your bottle. Something I thought I was never going to say. All right, so let's...
So we have all this stuff here. We have some little funnels.
That's right.
And, all right, so we're going to start with 1/8 of a cup of witch hazel.
Witch hazel? You ever thought about why they call this witch
I don't know. That's a good question.
Good question, right?
Something you can research.
Okay, so a whole 1/8 of a cup.
Witch hazel is also good for your skin.
Okay, I'm going to help you here.
It's a good anti-inflammatory. And this one has some aloe vera in it, too.
There it is. This one fits in there.
Okay.
It's okay if you make a mess. It's all right if you make a mess.
Okay.
My wife never makes a mess.
Yeah, right. This one smells good.
Smells pretty good. Oh, some of it went inside my beer. That's okay.
Okay. So then, why'd you put that away? Because no, we don't really. Well, yeah, we're gonna use it for that.
Oh, later on to top off the stuff.
We're gonna add 4 drops of each oil.
Right. But again, if you're using if you got 4 ounces, it'll be 8 drops. So just adjust it.
Double and triple.
Yeah, I hope
tea tree is a great antioxidant. Yep. I mean, it kills bacteria.
It's good for everything. All
right, so 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Here, okay. Pass enough. There we go. Okay. See this? Cool.
And citronella is great to keep the mosquitoes away.
It's cool working together.
1, 2, 3, 4.
There we go. Put that down.
And
get the other one.
Cedarwood.
Yep.
I can't get it. It won't come out.
No?
Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4.
There we go. Now we're going to move on to the lemongrass.
I added a little extra.
That's all right. That's all right. There's some nice little lemongrass there.
1, 2, 3.
Reaching over. Okay, now we're moving on to eucalyptus.
Eucalyptus is awesome.
It's one of my favorite ones.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Lastly, we're gonna get some rosemary, and I'm one of those that I put.
And all these are really good for the skin overall. Yeah. A lot of anti-inflammatory properties. Are you spilling all the oil?
Yeah, kind of. It's kind of what I do, right? It's my thing.
Okay.
Oh, this one.
And
now we're gonna top it off with the apple cider vinegar. You don't have to get the one that says with mothers for this.
I think so. I think it's better to get
that's
a raw, organic one.
Yeah. Every time
nothing synthetic on your skin.
Yep. Here, hold that. Right in there. And then, so once you got all your oils in there, your witch hazel, you want to top it off with some vinegar. There it is. No, I know what I'm doing. Here, a little more. See that?
You're making a mess.
It's all right. It's all right.
Okay.
I say you don't make a mess. I never said I don't make a mess.
There we go.
Here. Now you want to cover that up.
And shake it up.
Shake it as best as you can. All right. There it is. What are you doing?
I'm shaking it.
All right. All right, well, you shake that. I'll drink some of my
I smell that
beer.
Vinegar.
Ooh, yeah, I smell it.
Okay, let's see. Do you want to be the guinea pig?
Yeah, I have this cat. So in the mornings, if you're going out, not that much. Here we go.
Ooh, a little bit goes a long way. Look how much.
This side.
Ooh, yeah. I smell the lemongrass and the citronella the most.
Smells great here.
I was worried about it smelling like vinegar.
Vinegar, but it doesn't,
but
right?
I actually smell the lemon and the citronella the most.
Here we go. And we got 2 kids, right? And we love to be outside. We live in Florida, so we normally have a lot of... Smells great, right? We love to be spraying this on them so that the bugs will stay away from them. It's great for ticks, by the way, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, and again, I mean, this is the combination that we're using. If you need to drown out the apple cider vinegar a little bit more, just don't add as much, or add a little bit of the lemongrass or something. But I think this combination works fine. And
don't forget to subscribe, by the way. Thank you guys for watching this video. We're gonna make a nice sunscreen, right?
Yes.
We're gonna do it this week, right?
We're gonna do sunscreen. We're gonna do some facial cleansers.
Wait, is it cleanser or wash? Is the difference? So the same thing.
Use the words interchangeably.
Okay, cool. So we do have a lot of great stuff coming down this week. We're gonna upload at least the minimum 3 videos. So don't forget to subscribe for the facial wash or cleanser.
Feel free to leave us any comments, questions that you might have, any ideas, anything that you want to see in the future.
It smells really good. And the sunscreen, we're gonna do that one next. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Oh wait, not here.